guys, look at the camera, say hi.
Breaking my curfew. When my daddy hit the door, I gave my mama the blues. Used to spend my time blazing days away. But I was grown, left home at 15, didn't want to obey. Had to get my act together, couldn't take the heat. And now I'm making peace with the streets. I miss Dynamite TV. Stay blowing up the stereo. Everybody gotta hear me. Dynamite TV. Hear me busting on the radio. I feel my flow. I miss Dynamite TV. See me busting in the video. And I come to rest the show. Dynamite TV. Everybody lose control. Let my vibe touch your soul. I remember all the house parties that took place. Being in my bed upstairs so we could still feel the bass. And my cousins and my brothers, we sit up all night. Listen to my family vibe until the morning light. Remember my first years of school, I was so innocent. I just wanted to learn, I never been so content. But the more that I learned, I found a guiding light that showed me the need to fight. Be Miss Dynamite TV. Stay blowing up the stereo. Everybody gotta hear me. Dynamite TV. Hear me busting on the radio. I feel my flow. Miss Dynamite TV.
Yeah, my big mate. Hi, Big Aiden.
Everybody lose control.